The animal kingdom is filled with creatures so mysterious they seem more like legends than reality. While some animals are familiar sights, others remain hidden in the shadows, rarely seen by human eyes. From the deepest oceans to the most isolated jungles, these elusive beings thrive in environments that protect them from the rest of the world. Join us as we explore the 15 most mysterious animals, whose rarity and elusive nature only add to their mystique. Number 15. The mighty Hercules Beetle. Bugs might make some of us cringe, but the Hercules beetle is nothing short of jaw-dropping. Named after the legendary Greek hero, this colossal insect is a true titan of the rainforest, found across Central and South America. It holds the Guinness World Record as the longest beetle, with males reaching up to 7 inches, thanks to their massive horns. The Hercules beetle's strength is legendary. It can lift objects up to 850 times its own weight, making it one of the strongest creatures on Earth. Males use their long horns in fierce battles for mates, grappling with rivals in dramatic showdowns. These clashes often end with one beetle flipped onto its back in defeat. Adding to its mystique, the beetle's exoskeleton can change color based on humidity, shifting from dark green to black. Despite its intimidating appearance, the Hercules beetle is harmless to humans and plays a vital role in the ecosystem as a recycler of decaying plant material. Number 14. The Fascinating Ardwolf. The name Ardwolf might make you picture some hybrid of an aardvark and a wolf, but this quirky creature is neither. Despite its misleading name, the aardwolf is actually a member of the hyena family. However, unlike its scavenging relatives, the aardwolf has a unique diet and lifestyle. Found in the grasslands of Africa, this shy creature has a special appetite for termites, consuming up to an astounding 300,000 in a single night. With a tongue toughened to withstand termite bites, the aardwolf thrives in Africa's harsh environment. To beat the relentless heat, it adopts a nocturnal lifestyle, resting in burrows during the day and emerging under the cover of darkness to hunt. Interestingly, its name translates to earth wolf in certain African dialects, a nod to its habit of feeding from the ground. This unassuming animal is a perfect example of how nature's quirks create some of its most fascinating inhabitants. Number 13. The mysterious northern bald ibis. With its bald head, curved beak, and dark iridescent plumage, the northern bald ibis looks like something straight out of a mythical story. Found in parts of the Middle East, North Africa, and Southern Europe, this bird is as rare as it is fascinating. Once widespread, it is now critically endangered, with fewer than 1,000 individuals left in the wild. At one point, the species was thought to be extinct in parts of the Middle East, with only 2 birds spotted in Syria in the early 2000s. Conservation efforts, including captive breeding and reintroduction programs, have slowly brought the species back from the brink, but its future remains uncertain. Known for its distinctive appearance, the northern bald ibis prefers rocky deserts and open grasslands where it forages for insects and small vertebrates. Its eerie silhouette against a setting sun adds to its mysterious allure, making it a true symbol of nature's fragility and resilience. Now, let's move to Number 12. The ingenious Honduran White Bat. Hidden within Central America's rainforests, the Honduran white bat crafts its life with an ingenuity that defies its tiny size. Unlike their cave-dwelling relatives, these bats build tent-like shelters by slicing and folding large leaves with their sharp teeth. These leafy homes not only provide shelter but also foster a sense of community, housing colonies of up to 15 bats. Their appearance is equally extraordinary. While predominantly white, splashes of vibrant yellow on their wings and ears add an unexpected pop of color, a result of pigments from their fig-based diet. This dietary connection to their coloration is a phenomenon unseen in other mammals, making them a true biological marvel. Small but resourceful, The Honduran White Bat exemplifies nature's boundless creativity. Each of these bats is a reminder that size doesn't determine the impact. They've crafted a niche of survival and beauty in their lush, tropical world. Number 11. The vibrant Harlequin Toad. The Harlequin Toad, often called the clown frog, is one of nature's most dazzling displays of color. These tiny amphibians showcase an array of hues: orange, red, green, yellow, black, and even purple. Their vivid patterns earn them their name, inspired by the colorful harlequin clowns of old. Beyond their striking appearance, Harlequin toads hold deep cultural significance. In Panama, one species is celebrated as the national animal, symbolizing fertility and cherished as a cultural icon. However, their vibrancy contrasts starkly with their tragic plight. Since the 1980s, these toads have faced catastrophic population declines due to a deadly fungal disease. Unlike many endangered species, their primary threat isn't habitat loss or human activity, but this devastating infection, which has pushed several species to the brink of extinction. Spotting a Harlequin toad in the wild today is an incredibly rare privilege, a poignant reminder of nature's fragility and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Number 10. The mystery of the white moose. A white moose is a rare and breathtaking sight, often mistaken for an albino animal due to its pale fur. However, the truth behind its unique coloring is a genetic condition called leucism, which results in partial pigment loss. Unlike albinism, leucism leaves the moose's eyes unaffected, giving them a striking ethereal appearance that captivates those lucky enough to witness them. White moose populations are found in a few specific regions, most notably in Sweden, where these magnificent creatures have become local legends. The gene responsible for their snowy coats is believed to have developed over generations in isolated groups, making their occurrence even more special. Despite their beauty, this genetic trait can be a disadvantage in the wild, as their white fur makes them more visible to predators. Seeing a white moose in its natural habitat feels like encountering something out of a fairy tale, reminding us of nature's capacity for extraordinary wonders. Number 9. The rare white servals. The serval, known for its long legs and striking spots, is already a marvel of the wild. But the rare white serval is a sight few have ever seen. These unique cats owe their pale appearance to leucism, a genetic condition that reduces pigmentation while retaining normal eye color. Found in parts of Africa, these white servals stand out from their golden-coated relatives, making them a rarity in the wild. While their snow-white fur is breathtaking, it comes with significant challenges. The lack of natural coloring can make it harder for them to camouflage, increasing their vulnerability to predators. Additionally, their light skin is more susceptible to harmful UV rays, putting them at higher risk for conditions like skin cancer. Despite these obstacles, the white serval remains a symbol of nature's genetic diversity and beauty. Their elegant yet fragile presence in the wild reminds us of the delicate balance required for these extraordinary creatures to survive. Number 8. The enigmatic Spanish dancer. The Spanish dancer isn't a ballroom performer but one of the ocean's most captivating creatures. This marine gastropod found in the Indo-Pacific Ocean and the Red Sea is a type of sea slug known for its vibrant colors and graceful movements. When it swims, its ruffled edges ripple elegantly, resembling the flowing skirts of a flamenco dancer. This mesmerizing display has earned it its poetic name. Unlike most sea slugs that crawl along coral reefs, the Spanish dancer glides through the water with an unmatched elegance. But don't let its beauty fool you. It's armed with a surprising defense. By consuming toxic sponges and jellyfish, it absorbs their poisons, making it dangerous to potential predators. Adding to its mystique, the Spanish dancer lays its eggs in intricate rose-shaped spirals on coral reefs. These stunning patterns transform the reef into a vibrant underwater garden, leaving behind a legacy as exquisite as the creature itself. Number 7. The rare white orcas. White orcas, often called ghosts of the sea, are among the rarest marvels in the animal kingdom. Unlike albino animals, their pale appearance is due to a genetic condition called leucism, which causes partial pigment loss while leaving their eyes unaffected. These striking creatures are incredibly scarce, with only about 10 documented in the wild. Their white or patchy skin may look magical, but it poses significant challenges. Killer whales rely on blending into their aquatic surroundings to hunt, but their pale coloring makes them stand out, giving prey an advantage. This makes survival harder for these majestic creatures in the wild. Despite their rarity, scientists are fascinated by white orcas. They study them to understand the genetic and environmental factors behind leucism and whether this trait could become more common. For now, these breathtaking animals remain a living symbol of nature's unpredictability, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of the wild. Number 6. The Hagfish Mystery. At first glance, the hagfish appears otherworldly, a creature from the depths with a slippery eel-like body. But this ancient animal is far more fascinating than it seems. Often called slime eels, hagfish produce copious amounts of slime as a defense mechanism, deterring predators and clogging their gills. Their anatomy is equally unique. They have skulls but no vertebrae, placing them in a class of their own. Dating back over 300 million years, hagfish have remained virtually unchanged, earning them the title of living fossils. Their evolution, or lack thereof, puzzles scientists. Fossils reveal that ancient hagfish once had functional eyes, but modern species are blind, relying on their keen sense of smell and touch to navigate the ocean floor. Feeding on dead and dying marine life, they play a crucial role in deep-sea ecosystems. The hagfish's bizarre adaptations and ancient lineage make it one of nature's most enduring enigmas. Number 5. The mysterious Black Sea Hare. The Black Sea Hare, a striking marine creature, is a true enigma of the ocean. Found in the coastal waters of the Pacific Ocean, this unusual sea slug is known for its sleek black body, occasionally interrupted by unique brown patches that add to its mystique. Despite its unassuming appearance, it is one of the largest sea slugs, reaching lengths of up to 16 inches. Unlike its relatives that crawl along the ocean floor, the Black Sea Hare has an extraordinary ability to glide gracefully through the water, making it a mesmerizing sight for divers. Adding to its intrigue, this creature has a natural defense mechanism. When threatened, it releases a purple ink cloud to deter predators, reminiscent of an octopus's escape tactics. Its peculiar appearance and unique behaviors continue to puzzle marine biologists. The Black Sea Hare stands as a testament to the diversity of life beneath the waves and reminds us of how much there is left to uncover in the ocean's depths. Number 4. The Misleading Flying Lemur. Despite its name, the flying lemur neither flies nor is it a lemur. Instead, this fascinating creature is a gliding mammal, one of only 2 species in the world belonging to a group called colugos. Found in the dense forests of Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore, the Sunda-flying lemur relies on trees for survival, rarely venturing to the ground. What sets it apart is its remarkable ability to glide. With skin flaps stretching from its neck to its limbs and tail, it can soar over 300 feet between trees, losing only a minimal amount of altitude. This incredible adaptation allows it to navigate its arboreal world with grace and efficiency. Another unique trait is how the female carries her young. Baby colugos cling tightly to their mother's belly as she glides, a heartwarming sight that highlights nature's balance of survival and nurture. Misnamed or not, The flying lemur remains a marvel of adaptation and ingenuity. Number 3. The elusive sea pig. The sea pig might sound like a creature from a children's story, but this fascinating marine animal is as real as it gets. Found on the deepest parts of the ocean floor, these quirky creatures are a type of sea cucumber that thrives in extreme environments where sunlight never penetrates. Despite their alien-like appearance, they play a vital role in marine ecosystems as scavengers, feeding on organic material that sinks to the seabed. Sea pigs are surprisingly abundant, making up over 95% of the animal biomass in some areas of the ocean floor. However, their remote habitat, thousands of meters below the surface, makes them a rare sight for humans. These creatures use tube-like feet to move slowly along the seabed, while their delicate feeding tentacles sift through sediment for nutrients. With their translucent, blobby bodies and uncanny resemblance to land-dwelling pigs, sea pigs remain one of the ocean's most intriguing mysteries, quietly thriving in the world's hidden depths. Number 2. The BlueEyed Cicada Mystery. Among the vast swarms of red-eyed cicadas that periodically blanket parts of the world, one stands out as a true rarity: the blue-eyed cicada. With an occurrence rate of just 1 in a million, these unique insects are so rare that they have sparked legends, including a widely spread rumor that scientists once offered a $33,000 reward for capturing one alive. While the claim turned out to be a myth, it only added to their mystique. The vivid blue eyes of these cicadas result from a rare genetic mutation, making them an anomaly in the natural world. Despite their rarity, blue-eyed cicadas share the same life cycle as their red-eyed counterparts, spending up to 17 years underground before emerging for their brief time above ground to mate and lay eggs. Spotting a blue-eyed cicada is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. They remind us how nature's rarest treasures can inspire both wonder and a flurry of curiosity. No reward necessary. Number 1. The remarkable reticulate collared lizard. The reticulate collared lizard is a striking reptile that looks like it stepped out of a prehistoric age. Found in arid regions of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, this lizard is famous for its bold, intricate patterns and vibrant colors. Males display dazzling hues of gold and yellow on their heads and limbs during the breeding season, adding to their allure. What truly sets this lizard apart is its extraordinary escape tactic. When threatened, it doesn't just scurry away, it sprints on its hind legs, resembling a miniature dinosaur. This unique adaptation allows it to reach incredible speeds, making it one of nature's most agile reptiles. Despite its fascinating abilities, the reticulate collared lizard faces challenges. Habitat loss and human activity have put its population at risk. Its intricate patterns and remarkable behavior make it a symbol of the delicate balance within ecosystems, a reminder of the importance of protecting these rare and beautiful creatures. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.